Hello everyone, and welcome to our first half product expert training in 2026. This update is about managing component availability for planned orders. I'm Marcus, and I will present this update that was shipped with the 2602.2 release. Please be aware that this update is part of the plan to fulfill generic business process, and from an individual activity, it belongs to the planning process. In this product expert training video, I will explain the new feature and then show a demo so that you can see the business improvements. With this feature, you can now check if there are sufficient quantities of component available to complete your planned orders in the Manage Planned Orders app. As you can see in this image, we included the check component availability possibility. Before this innovation, there was no possibility to select single or multiple planned orders in the Manage Planned Orders app to check for component availability before converting it to a production or process order or purchase requisition. Now let's come to the business benefit for you. So now you can experience efficiency gains as you do not have to jump to other apps in order to do the component availability check. Alright, let's start the system demo. Let's go. Here in the Manage Planned Orders app, we see that we have a few planned orders and our finished good FP analog watch is there as well. And now we want to take a look at the components. So I'm drilling down here in the bill of material of our product. And we can see that we have 3 components that we need in my demo example here to produce our analog watch. Now let's go back into the Manage Planned Orders app, and here we see the planned orders again, our material. We see the total order quantity, also the planned order type. We see the conversion indicator here. We see that they are firmed, and also the action we could do manually. And here is the new column component availability, and we see that no component check has been done. So here we have the check component availability, a new feature, and by selecting one planned orders, I can check the component availability for this one. Also here I can check the message for my planned order 2003, and I can see there are no missing planned orders. Now the big question is, let's check all orders here we have. So now it gets interesting. We can see on the component availability here that I think it's the planned order 2007. Yes, 2007. We are getting or running into challenges with our components. And here we see for this planned order 2007, we are missing 20 pieces of our semi-finished analog dial component. What I also can do is, of course, I can also reset the availability, and then the system then gives everything free again. So also indicates that no check has been done. And with that, I finish my demo. Check out our SAP Cloud ERP and SCM enablement and adoption programs via our enablement wheel. If you have questions, let us know as well in the community. And if you want to give us further input or direct feedback, you can email us via s4experttraining@sap.com or use the tag PET_enablement in the community. Thanks for watching and take care.